What's up, everybody? It's Alex with Bull Rider Stocks. So this is my first ever YouTube video on this channel. Just essentially, we're going to talk about stocks that I'm buying and trading. Started trading stocks during the pandemic and been having a lot of fun doing it. Lost some money, gained some money. And so now I figured, why not kind of share like the process that at least I'm going through. I'm sure there's other people doing the same thing. A lot of friends that I've talked with are playing this like stock game right now, and I think it's a cool endeavor, and it has a lot of potential. So basically, we'll put out these videos, essentially watch normally what not to do with your money, and definitely don't take any like money advice from me. Just enjoy kind of watching what I'm doing here. So let's start off with OCGN, the stock here. We picked this guy up way back, and I was trading it a couple times. Actually, all the way back. Let's scroll a little bit more. Shouldn't have gone 30 minutes. All the way back in kind of late July, early August. There were a couple trades we made here, and just made a couple hundred. And I thought it was going to keep going up here. Of course, you always think it's going to keep going up. But it couldn't hold, and it came down. So essentially, right along here, in between two different accounts, my Robinhood account, I had over 8,000 shares of it. And the Webull account, I had almost 4,000 shares of the stock, like all throughout here, essentially hoping it was going to go up. Don't hope. Have an exit plan. But basically what ended up happening is the stock didn't break through those new highs, and then slowly trickled down. And our cost basis of this, if we look over here, so grand total between the accounts, we had 12,000 shares at 62 cents average. So a total initial investment of $7,622 thrown around the August time. So we see way down here it was trading down in the down in like the 25 cents, down like the 25 cent, 30 cent range. It had a couple spikes here and there, but I'm talking like, so 30 cents, you know, my 62 cent average, and down at 30 cents, we were below 50%. So for the months of August, September, October, November, and most of December, this account was just blown up, just down in the red. All right, down 50%. 50% of $7,000 is a lot of money. So we just kept holding, and just wanted to see like what the stock is going to do. They put out some news. They were going to kind of co-op a vaccine agreement. There's some news from Bazinga on that right here, and we can see kind of some of the other news things on Webull here. And essentially, this just sent the stock soaring. We're talking, I think at the high it hit like 800% upside. That's crazy. And so this yellow line here is the 62 cent kind of average that I'm at. There's just the Webull line for like the $4,000 or $4,000 share position right there. And then in Robinhood, that's where the bigger chunk of the holdings is. So that in here kind of shows the 8,000 shares and market value here at 15,000 plus the Webull account. So if we go to the 1 year on the on Robinhood, we can kind of see that this thing was spiking around here and just down in the dumps, and then just recently been hitting these new highs. So I don't know when we're gonna sell. That's always the crazy part in all this. We've made a good chunk of change, but we want to see, like I want to see if this stock is going to kind of hold this $1.50 range and then slowly staircase up over the next couple weeks or days. We'll see. It was supposed to, like, there were rumors about the stock doing a reverse split, and essentially that's when normally a penny stock is trading so low that they have to regain compliance in whatever market they're trading in. And so basically a reverse split would just take a bunch of shares, sandwich them together, so that way it's worth, instead of 28 cents, it's worth over $1. So basically we were approaching the timeline for this stock to have to hit over $1 or have a reverse split, which is something you just don't want your stock to go through. And so hopefully we'll get some news saying that they're not going to pursue the reverse split because we're going to be holding so high over this dollar range. And with so much more potential with that news, I could see it going up to this $3 range again or more. So Currently, though, like I said, we have a 12,000 share position at an initial cost of $7,622, and that is totaling right now at $22,427. So on this trade, we're at 294% increase. That is crazy. I've only had one other stock come anywhere near that. But like I said, most of the time we don't make money. Most of the time we're losing it. So hopefully, you know, we can take something from all this and you get a little bit of enjoyment, kind of seeing either the wins and the losses, which I'll be happy to show when they're losses too, because like I said, for months this was an over 50% loss to me, but we never sold, and we held, and now we're on the upside. So hopefully you get a little bit of value from this. Links below will be to Webull for you to get yourself a free share of something. So use that link if you want, or the Robinhood one. I mean, I have both brokerages, and I enjoy both accounts. I think Webull gives me a little bit more kind of chart analysis compared to kind of Robinhood logged out, compared to how Robinhood is just kind of that one dot line, and doesn't give you quite as much information when you're going into trading these type of stocks. So let's see what the remaining part of 2020 brings us, and follow the Instagram page. I'll post more updates on what we're doing with this stock. So see you guys on Monday.